Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
José Gálvez Barrenechea was the one who named this delicious Peruvian dessert with this name. It is a tradition to eat this dessert. In addition to its unique name, it is the Lima-style sigh. This dish is usually found in various sweet shops in Peru, but especially in Lima. It has a unique flavor with a special sweetness, and some usually accompany it with a cup of iced tea or a glass of pisco. The ending is simply pleasant. Now, this dessert has a story, and here we tell it to you. Although most of its ingredients were brought from Spain during the colonial era, the origin of Suspiro a la Lima dates back to the beginning of the 19th century. Among the ingredients, the main base for its preparation, as well as a meringue, stand out. It was renamed Suspiro a la Lima thanks to the Peruvian writer José Gálvez Barrenechea, who named it that way, before it was known as Real Delicacy of Peru. His wife, Amparo Ayares, an expert cook who devised the recipe. She was the one who prepared it for him for the first time. Then the romantic poet, upon tasting the incredible dessert, wrote a verse, a soft and sweet sigh of a woman. In this way, the essence of such a delicious dessert was encapsulated, a detail that pays tribute to the Lima woman. Ingredients. For the filling. Those jars of condensed milk. Those jars of evaporated milk. 5 eggs, yolks and whites separately. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the meringue. 1 a 2 pesos cubanos granulated sugar. 125 millilitros of water or port. Gourmet ground cinnamon. Preparation. 1 in a pot, mix the condensed milk, evaporated milk, yolks and vanilla essence. Stir well. 2 bring to medium heat, stirring constantly, for 20 minutes or until the mixture has thickened. 3 remove from heat and let cool. 11 the mixture is warm, pour it into a glass dish or individual pots. 4 for the meringue, mix the sugar and pour it in a small pot and boil until the syrup forms a thread when dropped from a spoon. 5 beat the egg whites until stiff and gently add hot syrup, always beating. 6 place the meringue on top of the delicacy and sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Ready, a delight to the palate. Recommendations. 1 You can make the sigh without evaporated milk, replacing the 2 jars of evaporated milk with 2 cups of cream. Also, you can replace evaporated milk with coconut milk. 2 For a sugar-free Lima sigh, you should replace the condensed milk with one that does not contain sugar, and replace the sugar used for the meringue with 3/4 cup of granulated sweetener such as ayulose or tagatose. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.